What if I told you that making $100 a day online is easier than you think? Seriously, forget about those get-rich-quick schemes you see all over the internet. We're talking about real strategies that anyone can use, even if you're starting with zero experience. That's because in this video, I'm breaking down 5 proven ways to put extra cash in your pocket, all by working online. We'll cover everything from freelancing to building your own online business. And the best part? You can start seeing results today. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing a bonus tip that could literally 10 times your earnings. Let's do this. Look, we've all got bills to pay. Whether it's that credit card bill breathing down your neck or just wanting some extra breathing room, finding ways to make money online is crucial. And that's where freelancing comes in. Freelancing is honestly one of the fastest ways to start generating income online, and it doesn't require years of experience to get started. Think about it. What skills do you already have that people would pay for? Are you a killer writer who can craft compelling copy? A video editing wizard who can make anyone look like a pro? Or maybe you're a graphic design guru who can make logos pop? These are all in-demand skills that businesses need, and they're willing to pay good money for them. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are like the Craigslist for freelancers, connecting you with clients from all over the world. Don't worry if you don't have a ton of experience yet. The key is to start by offering your services at a slightly lower rate to attract those first few clients and build up those all-important reviews. Think of it as building your online reputation. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can gradually increase your rates. Trust me, before you know it, you'll be hitting that $100 a day goal and beyond. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in control. You choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects that genuinely interest you. Okay, let's talk about passive income. Who doesn't love the idea of making money while they sleep, right? And that's where affiliate marketing comes into play. It's like having your own online sales team working for you 24/7. Here's the basic idea. You recommend products or services that you love to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be integrated into almost any online platform. Got a YouTube channel? Awesome. Drop those affiliate links in your video descriptions. Running a blog? Perfect. Weave those recommendations seamlessly into your content. Even just sharing links on your social media can generate some serious cash. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, but some of the most popular ones include Amazon Associates and Share a Sale. These platforms give you access to a vast library of products to promote, so you're bound to find something that resonates with your audience. Now I know what you might be thinking. Gabriel, is affiliate marketing really that easy? Well, it does take work and consistency, just like anything else worth having. The key is to provide value to your audience. Don't just spam affiliate links everywhere. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content that genuinely helps people. When your audience trusts your recommendations, they're more likely to click on your links and make a purchase. And the best part? Once you set up your affiliate links, the potential for passive income is huge. Chapter 3. Digital Products. Your ticket to scalable income. Now, if you're ready to take your online earnings to the next level, creating and selling digital products might just be your golden ticket. Unlike freelancing, where you're trading your time for money, digital products allow you to earn passive income long after you've created them. Think about it. You create the product once, and then it's yours to sell over and over again. No need to reinvent the wheel every time. So what kind of digital products can you create? The possibilities are endless. If you're a whiz with organization and productivity, why not create and sell Notion templates? People are always looking for ways to streamline their workflows. Maybe you're a master chef who wants to share their culinary secrets. An e-cookbook packed with your signature recipes could be a massive hit. Or perhaps you have a knack for teaching and want to share your knowledge with the world. Creating and selling online courses through platforms like Teachable or Thinkific is an incredible way to leverage your expertise. The key here is to identify your strengths and passions. What unique knowledge or skills can you package into a digital product that people will find valuable? Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it incredibly easy to sell your digital products and get them in front of a global audience. Chapter 4. YouTube and Content Creation, From Passion to Profits. Let's be real, who doesn't love watching YouTube videos? But what if I told you that YouTube isn't just for entertainment, it's a powerful platform for generating some serious income? And the best part, you don't need millions of subscribers to start seeing results. Even smaller channels can monetize their content and turn their passion into profits. So how does it work? Well, once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, don't worry, it's easier than you think, you can apply for YouTube's partner program. This opens up a whole new world of monetization options, including ads that run on your videos. The more views you get, the more ad revenue you earn. But let's be honest, nobody likes watching a video just to be bombarded with ads, right? That's why it's crucial to focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that people actually want to watch. What are you passionate about? What unique perspective can you bring to the table? Whether it's gaming, makeup tutorials, financial advice, or anything in between, there's an audience out there for you. And don't forget about the power of affiliate marketing. If you're reviewing products or recommending services in your videos, be sure to drop those affiliate links in your video descriptions. Your viewers will appreciate the recommendations, and you'll have the potential to earn passive income from their purchases. Chapter 5. Side Hustles, Your Quick Cash Playbook. Okay, let's talk about those times when you need to make some quick cash. We've all been there, right? Maybe you need to cover an unexpected expense, or perhaps you're just looking for ways to pad your bank account. Well, the good news is that there are tons of side hustles you can start today that can put extra money in your pocket within just a few hours. One of my personal favorites is user testing. Websites like user testing pay you to give feedback on websites and apps. It's surprisingly fun and easy, and you can typically earn around $10 to $20 per test. Another great option is reselling. Have an eye for a good deal? Spend a few hours at thrift stores or garage sales, find hidden treasures, and then resell them online for a profit. Platforms like eBay and Poshmark make it incredibly easy to list and sell your items. And if you're feeling creative, why not try your hand at print-on-demand merchandise? Websites like Printful allow you to design and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without having to hold any inventory. You simply create the designs, and Printful handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity. The beauty of these side hustles is that they're incredibly flexible. You can work on them whenever you have some free time, and you can scale them up or down depending on your needs. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to make $100 a day online, even if you're starting from scratch. Which of these methods are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks. But don't stop there. If you're serious about building wealth and achieving financial freedom, I've got another video lined up for you right here that dives even deeper into the world of online income. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.